We're looking to partner with a restaurant with a good reputation to send a steady supply of new customers. We use a unique strategy that allows us to reach thousands of people per month within a 5 to 10 mile radius of your restaurant who are celebrating a birthday and are looking for a place to dine. We're looking for a place to send these customers to. We have a proven restaurant growth system that major chains and smart restaurant owners are using to get new customers and get more repeat business from existing customers without the big costs of traditional advertising. So, if you can benefit from more new customers and 5 to 6 birthday parties per week, then you can get a brief overview on how everything works on the very next page. Enter your information now to continue. Please understand, although we wish we could work with everyone, our method is so effective, we can only partner with a limited amount of restaurants per city to send customers.
Call us today and mention this video for our free offer.